Hello, so in today's video I'm going to be putting some new 20x10 XD wheels on the F150. I don't know, these are just a cheap Facebook marketplace deal here that I'm going to be putting on this. Alright, so first things first, we're going to jack up the truck and get this wheel off, and then put the adapters on, and then put the wheel on. So we're going to start with this front wheel here, and then work our way around the rest of the truck. Alright, so I don't know if a lot of people have used spacer or adapter, but same thing, you always put yours. So you basically just put your studs through these holes, and then you just tighten them down to new normal wheel torque spec. So, just got the lug nuts for the adapters. They're different sizes. Put one on the socket, thread one on. Alright, now I'm just going to lightly snug them up with the impact. Alright, so here's the first wheel on the truck. Looks alright. I don't know. Definitely isn't anything too special. Some width. Alright, I'm going to put it in time lapse now and just go through the rest of the wheels and then catch you all at the end here. Alright, so I just got all four wheels on, about to drop it now. Ooh, a little fast on the jack. I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna do a reverse level on this truck. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think here. Kind of sits level right now. Well, let me know what you guys want to see in some upcoming videos of this truck. Thanks for watching.